Ever wondered how to make a light, flaky fish baked to perfection, served on a bed of creamy sweet potato puree? Let me show you how I make this simple yet elegant favorite Portuguese dish. Stay with me till the end for some tips that make all the difference. Skate with sweet potato puree. 400 grams of skate, 1 drizzle of olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste, 2 garlic cloves. Sweet potato puree, 350 grams of sweet potato, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 drizzle of olive oil, nutmeg to taste, salt and pepper to taste. In a pot, bring water to a boil and add the sweet potatoes with salt. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. In a baking dish, season the skate with lemon juice, salt, pepper, chopped garlic, and a drizzle of olive oil. Bake the skate for 25 minutes until tender and slightly golden. While the fish bakes, prepare the puree in a pot. Mash the boiled sweet potatoes. Stir in the butter, season with pepper, nutmeg, and a drizzle of olive oil. Mix well until smooth. To plate, spread the sweet potato puree on a dish, drizzle with olive oil, and top with the baked skate. This is such a simple way of enjoying fish with a twist of sweet potato. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Got questions? Leave them in the comments. Let me know what you would like me to cook next. Faça e coma! Letting the fish rest in the seasoning for 10 to 15 minutes enhances the flavor and tenderness. Sweet potato puree pairs beautifully with lemony fish. Don't skip the nutmeg for a warm touch.